Chapter 1. More about plants. You will learn parts of a leaf, functions of a leaf, how plants prepare food, interdependence of plants and animals, balance in nature, food chain. We see many plants around us. Most of the plants are full of green leaves. The green color of the leaf is due to the presence of a substance called chlorophyll. The leaf is a very important part of a plant because the leaves make food for the plant. Let us learn more about leaves. Parts of a leaf. Pull one leaf from a plant. Examine its parts against the sunlight. A leaf has three main parts: the leaf blade, midrib, and petiole. Leaf blade. The broad flat part of the leaf is called the leaf blade or lamina. Some leaves have broad leaf blades, whereas some have narrow ones. Midrib. There is a main vein in the middle of the leaf known as midrib. There are many side veins which arise from the main vein. The main vein consists of two tube-like structures. One tube is called xylem that carries water absorbed from the soil through the roots and carries up to the leaf. The other tube is called phloem that carries the food prepared by the leaf to all the parts of the plant. Petiole. The part that attaches the leaf to a branch or a stem is called petiole. It is also called the leaf stalk. Stomata. There are tiny pores on the underside of the leaf called stomata. The leaf takes in carbon dioxide from air and releases oxygen and water vapor through stomata. Functions of a leaf. Leaves perform very important functions for the plants. Let us know about them. Green leaves prepare food for the plant by the process of photosynthesis. The exchange of gases takes place through stomata present on the surface of leaves. Leaves of some plants store food. How plants prepare food. The leaves of the plants make food for the plant with the help of chlorophyll by a process called photosynthesis. The word photo means light and synthesis means to combine. Plants also need sunlight, air, and water for making their food. The water is absorbed by roots and reaches up to the leaf through the canals, that is tubes called xylem and veins. The plants get carbon dioxide from the air through stomata. The leaves convert carbon dioxide and water into starch with the help of sunlight. Plants get energy from sunlight to prepare food. The chlorophyll present in the leaves uses the energy of the sun to combine water and carbon dioxide to make food. This process is called photosynthesis. During this process, plants take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. This food in the form of simple sugar immediately changes into starch and remains stored in the plant. The plants use it in many ways. Let us perform a few activities to examine what plants need for photosynthesis. Do you know? Food is stored in different parts of the plant. In some plants, food is stored in seeds, for example Bengal gram, in fruits, as found in mango, in roots such as carrot, in stem, in potato, and in leaves of cabbage. Activity 1. Aim: to examine that green leaves form starch. What do you need? Beaker, a leaf, water, burner, alcohol and iodine solution. Take a fresh green leaf from any plant and keep it in the sunlight for quite some time to undergo photosynthesis. Remove the green color of the leaf by boiling the leaf in water for at least 5 minutes. and then boil in alcohol for some time. Wash the leaf in cold water. Add a few drops of iodine on it. Observation. The leaf turns blue-black in color. Conclusion. The blue-black color of the leaf indicates the presence of starch. Let us perform another activity to examine that sunlight is required for photosynthesis. Activity 2. Aim to examine that sunlight is required for photosynthesis. What you need: leaf, black paper strip, burner, alcohol, iodine solution. Keep away the plant from sunlight for 1 day. Cover the middle part of a leaf with a piece of black paper. Now put the pot in sunlight for a few hours. Remove the black paper strip from that leaf. Remove the green color of the leaf in the same manner as done in the previous activity. Add a few drops of iodine solution on that leaf. Observation. The whole leaf turns blue-black in color except the part that was covered with black paper. Conclusion. This proves that the part which was covered with black paper did not get sunlight, so it could not make food. Thus, sunlight is required for photosynthesis. Perform one more activity to examine that chlorophyll is required for photosynthesis. Activity 3. Aim to examine that chlorophyll is required for photosynthesis. What you need: a coleus leaf and iodine solution. Take a leaf which is not completely green, like a coleus leaf. Put the leaf on a white sheet of paper and mark the green and non-green areas on it. Remove the green color of the leaf as earlier by boiling it in water and then in alcohol. Wash the leaf and put a few drops of iodine solution on it. Check with the help of the paper which parts turn blue-black in color. Observation. The parts which were green show the presence of chlorophyll. The non-green part does not show any change in color. Conclusion. Thus, we see that chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis. Interdependence of plants and animals. Plants and animals need each other in many ways. Animals get food from plants. Some animals eat grass and green leaves of plants. Many animals also eat greens and other products of plants. Animals need oxygen for breathing, which they get from plants as a result of photosynthesis. Thus, animals depend on plants for food and oxygen. As you know, plants produce food. They are the producers. Since animals and humans cannot prepare their food and depend on plants for food, they are called consumers. Plants also depend on the animals. Plants need carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. They get carbon dioxide from air, which is given out by animals and humans during the process of breathing. Thus, we see plants and animals are interdependent. Balance in nature. Plants and animals are interdependent. They depend on each other in several ways. Animals give out carbon dioxide during breathing, which is taken by the plants to prepare food by the process of photosynthesis. Plants release oxygen, which is essential for animals and humans. Thus, natural balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide is maintained in nature. Food chain. As you have learned that animals depend on plants for food, they form a food chain in the nature. The existence of food chain helps to maintain a balance in nature. Balance in nature refers to a desirable number of plants and animals existing in the nature. Let us revise. The leaf is a very important part of a plant. The leaves make food for the plant. The green color of the leaf is due to the presence of chlorophyll. A leaf has three main parts: the leaf blade, midrib, and petiole. The broad flat part of the leaf is called the leaf blade or lamina. The main vein in the middle of the leaf known as midrib. The part that attaches the leaf to a branch or a stem is called the petiole. The tiny pores on the underside of the leaf are called stomata. The process by which the leaves make food for the plant with the help of chlorophyll is called photosynthesis.